Yes guys, as you read in the title and saw in the thumbnail of this video, only boys can hear this sound. Yup, the weird sound that I'm about to play here can only be heard by boys. No girls can hear it. So let's see if you can hear this sound or not. But before I play the sound, like this video, subscribe and comment boys. Okay, sound that only boys can hear, playing in 3, 2, 1. Let's play it again with 150% volume and see if you can hear it. 3, 2, 1. So, can you hear it? Tell me in the comments.